In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Semrush link building tool. This tool is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to enhance their website's SEO through effective link building strategies. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up and manage a successful link building campaign. First things first, you'll want to start by searching for Semrush in your web browser. Once you've found the Semrush website, go ahead and log into your account. If you already have an account, excellent. But if you're new to Semrush, you might want to consider signing up for their service. It's a great investment for anyone serious about improving their online presence. After logging in, the next step is to set up a project. A project in Semrush allows you to manage all kinds of SEO tasks in one convenient place. To do this, simply navigate to the Project section and click on Create New Project. You'll be prompted to enter your domain name, which will serve as the focal point of your link building efforts. Now that your project is set up, it's time to input some keywords and competitors. This is crucial because it helps the tool identify potential link building prospects that are relevant to your niche. Enter keywords that are directly related to your business and industry and add a few competitor websites. More often than not, these are the sites you aspire to compete with in terms of search engine rankings. Once you've done this, the tool will analyze prospects for you. As Semrush generates a list of prospects, it's important to review each one carefully. The tool prioritizes these prospects based on quality and relevance, but it's wise to do a manual review to ensure the best results. Once you find prospects you want to pursue, move them to the In Progress tab. This tab will serve as your working list for active link building efforts. The next step is all about outreach, which is simplified by connecting your email account to the Semrush tool. By doing this, you gain access to built-in email templates that you can customize and send out directly from the platform. Tracking features are key here. They let you see the status of each email, whether it's been sent, opened, or replied to. This ensures your efforts are strategic and organized. Finally, monitoring acquired backlinks is critical. The Semrush link building tool allows you to keep tabs on every backlink you've gained, ensuring they remain active and aren't broken over time. Staying proactive with monitoring secures the quality and longevity of your link building campaign. And there you have it. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to SEO, using the Semrush link building tool can drastically improve your link acquisition strategies, ultimately boosting your website's visibility on search engines.